how do you exactly make a picture here into a circle or any other shape out there? So this one is actually pretty easy. As you can see right now, I'm already in my presentation here and I already have an image here that I could actually make into a circle. So what we need to do is you want to first select your image. So click on it and we need to go to the very top here. And as you can see, there are different tools that you can select here. But what we're looking for is going to be this specific icon here. So this is actually the crop image icon. Now what we need to do is instead of actually just clicking on that icon, you should see a drop down button on it. So in this case, we are going to use the mask image option for us, which is something similar to basic cropping. Let's go and click on it and you want to go to shapes. Now under shapes, you want to go and choose the actual shape that you want to use. So let's go and choose maybe the circle option here. So this one, or you could use the connector here. There are a lot of shapes here, but let's go and choose this one. And as you can see right now, we are able to change it. So you can go ahead and just resize this if you want to, and if you want to change how it actually looks or how the shape actually looks like in your image, you can go and click on the crop image button here. In this case, you could see how it looks like for that specific or how that mask actually looks on your image. So you could just go and resize the shape. For it, as you can see right now, just be careful to move the black parts on it. So basically, we have a circle here instead of an oval. So you can go and just select the empty space here to apply your changes. And that's about it. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.